Reunion is for me a family moment. In France, we have actually one, the beef Burgundy is actually a moment where people love together. I realized that loving Taiwan and loving also my family in France, I want to combine love of both, so my Taiwanese friends can also have a reunion on the French flavor.
其实讲到团圆这件事情，直接的就会去想到水饺这一个食物。
团圆的话，我印象中就是汤圆，然后还有水饺。
鲳鱼、饺子，这道菜对我来说，过年是很重要的一道菜。
吃水饺这件事情啊，也从水饺的制作过程当中获得了一些乐趣。
就是小朋友嘛，不太会包，所以就用模具包。然后虽然我用模具，但我还是就是没有妈妈包的好。
儿子们他们不吃青菜，所以我的记忆里面，我一定要用小白菜来包饺子。